Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. To begin, power on your watch by pressing and holding the home key for a few seconds. Once it's on, you can navigate the interface by swiping left, right, up, or down on the screen. For quick access to settings like Wi-Fi or brightness, simply swipe down from the top of your watch face. It's quite straightforward to get started. Now, let's customize your experience. You can easily change your watch face by long pressing the screen and selecting from a vast array of designs. For more in-depth control over notifications and app organization, use the Galaxy Wearable app on your paired smartphone. Your watch also continuously tracks your daily activity, providing insights into your steps, calories, and heart rate throughout the day, helping you stay informed. Your Galaxy Watch 6 is a powerful health companion. It meticulously monitors your sleep, breaking it down into different stages and offering valuable insights for better rest. Furthermore, you can perform a body composition analysis right from your wrist, giving you key metrics like body fat percentage. With the ability to track over 90 distinct workouts, including automatic detection for many, it supports all your fitness goals. To get the most out of your watch, consider these advanced tips. You can significantly extend battery life by utilizing power-saving modes and managing screen brightness. For convenience, use Samsung Wallet for quick, secure contactless payments, leaving your physical wallet behind. Remember to regularly update your watch's software to benefit from the latest features, performance enhancements, and crucial security updates, keeping your device running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.